Okay, so we finally managed to get this piece of like plastic to the point where it was completely lined up. It was almost impossible because there was such a tight jam right here. We could not get that plastic to go past. So what we did is we used this pry bar over here, this one, and by kind of going in with the pry bar right on the very edge, like in through the side like this to kind of get in there, and then you kind of rotate it and go kind of like under that wood, but you want to get as far back as possible because the plastic's in the way, and if you've got it resting on the plastic, you're going to jam the plastic and it won't be able to move. You have to get that pry bar all the way back in to the back of the plastic, like the end, so the plastic can kind of move in there, and then you just wedge up that wood. You put pressure on it like this and make that wood kind of go up off the roller, creating a little gap enough for this to slide in. So we've managed to get it in. It's pretty straight. It was took a little bit of a jiggling here and there to do it, but we finally got it to kind of line up as best as we possibly could.
Trying to get this.
And now I've got these little screws here. Make it straight. Trying to make it tilt.
I'm trying to do it without drilling.
Let's first of all see the screws that we've got here. These things, multi-material, so that works for metal and for wood, which is kind of what we need. Try and keep it straight, babe, because you don't want the screw coming out like that.
No. I'm trying to line it up with the old hole.
Yeah. And it didn't help that this wood had bowed some as well. It kind of was a real pain. It's probably going to be hard to line up with that hole because you can't really see it anymore, you know?
Yeah, no.
So...
I can see it barely.
Yeah, I got you.
But let me back this out a little bit.
Oh, no, wait. It's already backing out.
No, I backed it out.
Oh, you backed it out?
Yeah.
Crap, I thought it fell down.
I did a little bit so I can see.
Okay.
See where the old hole is.
Yeah.
That does not look like it's really... Can we pull that? Right there, pull that back a little bit. No, that's way off.
That's alright, baby. If you have to like put new holes in, just...
So I'm going to have to drill a hole then. I'll have to pull
Really?
that out, yeah.
You can't...
Because that won't go in the metal.
Are they self-tapping? Like...
They're not self-tapping with aluminum.
It says no pre-drilling.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's try it then.
Yeah, no pre-drilling. Okay.
Yeah, see that?
That's right, just put pressure on. See if you can get up through that metal. Because it had... There you go.
It stopped.
Just try again.
Oh, it's jammed.
Really? Okay.
So maybe I
Wow,
can
so you
take
do have a
this and
pre-drill.
use a...
Yeah.
See?
Dang.
So let me take pressure off it and go with this one. What does that do? New holes?
I reckon, yeah, just put that one straight up, yeah. There we go.
That one went
Yeah,
up.
just do new holes for the rest.
That ain't going.
We can't get it out now?
I'm
get
going to
that?
have to hand drill it maybe. Let me back it out.
Yeah, just back it out. We're going to have to make new holes.
Yeah. We try to do it now.
Uh-huh. Why is it not going all the way, though?
Well,
Do you think?
it's because
Yeah?
we're going to have to probably hand turn it to get the rest.
Okay.
I got to charge this battery too, maybe a little bit.
Really?
Yeah, it's got plenty of charge.
Okay, let's start doing some of the others now.
Okay.
Possibly we can always come back to that one and kind of get it up there if we have to.
All the way. Maybe back it
Yeah.
up a little bit and then I'll go for it.
Okay. Oh, there we go. It's going in now.
Holy shit, that's
What?
in there now.
Yeah, but
Did it
can you
back
go
out?
more? Or is that it?
I don't think so. There's not much gap. Let me try a little more.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep closing up. There we go. Thank you. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
And then this one.
Yeah, that one looks good.
That looks
That
good.
looks very
Okay.
fine. Okay, so now we've got this corner one right here. Yeah.
Which one?
Okay, so we've just been putting the rest of the screws in, and it's kind of they worked out pretty good actually. We've got all that back up in there.
Just step on
Tried
the
to
inside.
follow all of the original screw holes along there. You can see, sorry, it's a little blurry, but you can kind of see that. If we can somehow get some focus there, that would be great. You can see all the way along there. We did that. So it looks pretty good, actually, considering. Hey.
Yeah, should go stand on it.
Yeah. All right,
Go
so
stand on it, see how it does.
this is really like out of focus. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. There we go. I don't know if we should go stand on it yet.
I mean, it's up there. That's what's
It's up
holding it
there.
up.
I know. It's probably fine.
Maybe we should have Paul
Yeah.
come look at it. See what he thinks.
Not yet. Let's get our side things in first, baby. Yeah. Okay, so we'll finish up here and we might do a part 3 depending. All right, thanks. Bye.